Hello everyone, very proud and excited to have Sudip here with me, who has recently smashed his PTE exam, a perfect score of 90. I'm sure Sudip, you're feeling at the top of the world.
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations for such a great score. To tell you a little bit about Sudip, he was practicing with us in his first attempt. He didn't do very well in listening and writing, but after 3 weeks of practice, just mere 3 weeks of practice, he was able to score 90 each in all the sections. What is your piece of advice to the students who are actually struggling out there?
So yeah, actually in my first attempt, despite of attending LA, I was following a lot of templates, right? But the thing I was missing was like, even in the template, you have to use certain grammatical rules, right? For example, like in summarize spoken text, I was following the template, but I was messing up with the grammars, like I was using the keywords and phrases, but I was not using the appropriate grammars. That was why I was missing on that one. And even from right of dictation, I didn't know like you have to focus on the S and ED, the plural form of the verb, because even if you mess up with that one, then you are going to lose the marks. Yeah, and I kept practicing on that, and yeah, I got my score.
So Sudip, talking about you had a very busy schedule. You were working like night shifts, and you were not able to come to the lab regularly. You came to lab only twice or thrice.
Yeah, 2 or 3 times.
Yes, that's it. But you stick to the plan. You kept practicing regularly. So that's something that played a very important role in getting you your desired score. What is one or maybe few tasks that you were actually struggling in, and what did you do to improve those tasks?
I would definitely say I was struggling on the reading writing blanks, and in my first attempt I was not giving that much of importance on the reading session, because even I was attending the session from the ribbon ma'am, and I was thinking like the questions are not repeated that much, right? And so let's just practice from AP Uni and the LA portal. But I came to know, like after attending the session, the way you look at the question, the way like how to solve this specific type of question, then it made me think like a critical thinking, like okay, I need to approach a certain kind of question in definitely in that way. So yeah, I cracked that one too.
So that's it, guys, that if you are struggling in any of the sections, it's not that you have to sit in normal labs and just do everything that everybody is doing. So we have customized classes for all kinds of tasks. So if you're struggling in any of the sections, we guide you accordingly, we give you plans accordingly. So if you're struggling in any of the sections, or if you're struggling to get you your desired score, please have a chat with one of the tutors or one of the consultants at Language Academy. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you everyone for watching, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best everyone.